Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring Tahquamenon Falls State Park in Upper Michigan Peninsula, home to one of the famous waterfalls in the Midwest. Located way up north in Michigan's Upper Peninsula, Tahquamenon Falls sits about 35 minutes away from Whitefish Point. If you're lucky with the time, you might even be able to visit both spots in the same day. Two incredible Michigan landmarks in one trip. This is what happens when you're visiting on the holiday weekends. Yep. If you're not Michigan resident, there is a small entrance fee to get into the park. It's $19 for a day. But if you have a Michigan recreation passport for the season, then you're all set and your entrance is free. Yes, we got it to the Upper Waterfalls parking lot, which looks pretty busy, but still plenty of parking spots for everybody. At the entrance, you will be greeted by this black bear as a reminder that you are visiting their territory, so be respectful and be safe. That's a big bear. I don't want to meet it. And also some important information for anyone planning to visit the park, like the part about the construction, which Mr. Soren apparently didn't notice. Okay guys, we are on the way to see the falls. Apparently there is some construction going on in the park right now, so let's see what actually we can see.
This is the second time we've been here. Same, lots of people, but we are here to enjoy and have fun, so let's go.
Well, just like that, we've reached the only upper overlook that's currently open on this trail. You see, I was right, and he is not listening to me like always. Well, that's too bad, because those falls are really beautiful and seeing them up close is such an incredible experience. Those falls are known for their unique root beer color and stunning natural beauty.
So unfortunately, they're definitely closed, so we're not gonna be able to get to see the waterfalls from the...
But you can see it behind. Before you could have get much closer, but not today. Well, unfortunately, that's our luck. Don't worry, this isn't the only viewpoint in the park. The other one just takes a little bit more work to get to, but we are ready for it. As of 2025, there is still ongoing construction on one of the main trails and the viewing platform. The park is working on something really cool and unique to make the waterfall viewing experience even better. So apparently they have a big project coming soon with the big viewing platform. Hopefully by the time you visit, the construction will be complete and you will be able to enjoy the full view of the waterfalls. But at the moment we cannot go forward. That's it. That's as much as we can see of the waterfalls. That's our luck, guys. Tell us in the comments if we should rename the channel to the Disasters with Sorin and Olga. What do you think?
Vote below.
Drop the comment. On the opposite side of this trail there is an entrance to the gorge view area, but fair warning, it's a bit of workout with lots of stairs. For experienced hikers, this part of the trail is easy enough, but if you have any mobility issues, this part might be challenging, especially with all of those stairs. 181 stairs. What must go down will go up. Are you ready for a climb up? Or not yet? I know, now so nice and easy, flat. Look. Actually feels really nice in the shadow, this wood around you, forest. You feel like you're kind of in Washington, no? No, Olga, you're in Michigan, Upper Michigan. Interesting fact, the famous root beer color of Tahquamenon Falls isn't from dirt or rust. It actually comes from the natural tannins released by the cedar, spruce and hemlock trees in the surrounding swamps. Those tannins stain the water a deep amber brown, just like brewed tea or root beer. The absolutely best view of the waterfalls of today. Unfortunately, this is recording 2025. They still under construction. Hopefully, when you're gonna be visiting the Tahquamenon Falls, you're gonna be more lucky and you can enjoy that beauty up close. Okay, it's time to start the climb up. 181 stairs. Up and up we go. Okay, see you in a few minutes. I'm not that fast. Speed X2. All right, time to make our way to the top and back to the parking lot. There is one more must-visit spot in the park waiting for us. And if you're in the mood for snacks, maybe some elephant ears, lemonade, or even a full meal at the brewery and pub, make sure to check it out. We were getting pretty hungry, but the wait time was over 40 minutes, so we decided to skip and enjoy the waterfalls instead. On the bright side, the park also has a fantastic gift shop with the wide selections of the souvenirs. The store had such a great variety of the cool merch that even Mr. Soren got into the shopping mode. And let me tell you, that doesn't happen too often. What's up, you found yourself a t-shirt?
I'm looking for.
Oh, dark. Oh wow. That's pretty cool, but check this one out. I think this t-shirt suits you much better. Just kidding, guys. I found the new Mr. Soren. I think he is more cooperating.
Yes, gonna eat you.
Our baby dragon is still there. Yoo-hoo. Okay, let's hop in the car for a few minutes and now we are reached the spot for the lower falls. This area is wide open and there is no construction on this side of the park. Okay, we finally made it to the last stop of the day. Nice with the sunset. Look at this view, guys. So pretty.
Let's go see the lower falls of the Tahquamenon River. We have two branches over here.
Okay, let's go before the sun will set and we will be in complete darkness. Okay, Mr. Soren, what is the plan for the night? What are we doing? Where are we parking? We have no camp spot. We don't have where to stay.
We can park on the side of the road. The most important part is Olga wants pizza.
Yes.
There's no pizza around.
We were watching one of the YouTubers and he was eating pizza so good from Michigan, but the problem is the closest pizza is like 30 minutes away. Let's see if we're gonna make it before the closing time. If yes, we're definitely gonna share this with you guys. quick spoiler alert, make sure to stick around till the end for the eatable review. Look, after climbing up and down those stairs, Mr. Soren even in the mood for jumping. I don't know where he gets that energy from.
That lower falls are more accessible. You can get a wheelchair down this boardwalk all the way to the falls and enjoy the views.
Not like with the upper. You saw how many stairs did we climb up and climb down. Well, but that's temporary. Maybe deck what they're building right now is gonna be much better. The prayer of the woods. To be honest, the walk is pretty easy. The only thing is right now getting chilly, and we didn't take any sweaters, but hey, we are gonna be fast in and out. Oh wow guys, this viewing platform is amazing. You can actually experience the waterfall up close, and you can even feel the mist hitting your face. That's the power of the water, and it's so cool to see all that foam. It really looks like a river of the root beer. You can feel the power of the water even on you, because it's so powerful. The water drops comes all the way here, but look at the color. It looks like an amber. Or someone said that it looks like a root beer. Can you imagine the whole river of the root beer? There is a small trail that takes you even further, letting you explore more of this beautiful area. Unfortunately, we didn't have the time to check it out. It was getting pretty late and we were getting pretty hungry. On the lower falls side of the park, you will also find a campground, a gift shop, and some pretty clean restrooms. And of course, we're gonna go inside and see, maybe we're gonna get lucky with pizza there. Yeah guys, pretty cool stuff here and totally different from the gift shop at the Upper Falls. They had a big variety of snacks and ice cream, but sadly, no pizza for me this time.
A few moments later.
Yay! We did find the place with the pizza, which was right next to the park, and they're still open. So Sorin went to pick it up right now, and I'm looking forward to have a good dinner. Oh wow! Pizza delivery! Bon appetit, guys! So thank you so much for watching, staying with us on this crazy Michigan adventure. We are not done yet, but we're done for today. Good night.